ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி வந்து 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சயின்ஸ் பாக்ஸ் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாட் இஸ் யூஸ்டு டு கரெக்ட் ஃபேர் சைட்னஸ் கான்வெக்ஸ் லென்ஸ்? வாட் இஸ் யூஸ்டு டு கரெக்ட் நியர் சைட்னஸ் கான்கேவ் லென்ஸ்? வாட் இஸ் யூஸ்டு டு மெஷர் த கரண்ட்? அம்மீட்டர். வாட் இஸ் யூஸ்டு டு மெஷர் த பொட்டன்ஷியல் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ்? வோல்ட்மீட்டர். வாட் இஸ் யூஸ்டு டு indicate the direction of current? galvanometer. What is the speed of sound waves? 340 meter by second. What is the speed of light waves? 3 into 10 power 8 meter by second. What kind of waves is sound? Longitudinal waves. What kind of waves is light? Transverse waves. Which radioactivity can be controlled? Artificial radioactivity. Which radioactivity emitted alpha, beta and gamma radiation? Natural radioactivity. What is the electron affinity value of noble gases? O. What is the main hour of iron? METT Fe2O3. What is the main hour of aluminium? Bauxite. Al2O3 2SiO2 2H2O. What is the main hour of copper? Copper pieces CuFeS2. Which compound is used to make status coins, bells, gongs? Bronze. Cu plus Sn. Which compound is used to make electrical fittings, metal, decorative items, hardware? Brass. Cu plus Zn. Which compound is used to make aircraft, tools, pressure cookers? Duralumin. Al plus Mg plus Mn plus Cu. Which compound is used to make utensils, cutlers, automobile parts? Stainless steel. Fe plus C plus Ni. Which compound is used to make cables, propellers, aircrafts? Nickel steel. FiCni. What is example of gas-gas binary solution mixture of helium? Oxygen gases. What is an example of gas-liquid binary solution CO2 dissolved in water? Soda water. What is an example of liquid gas gaseous solution water vapor in air? What is the molecular formula for blue vitriol? CuSO4 5H2O. What is the molecular formula for Epsom salt? MgSO4 7H2O. What is the molecular formula for gypsum? CaSO4 2H2O. What is the molecular formula of green vitriol? FeSO4 7H2O. What is the molecular formula for white vitriol? ZnSO4 7H2O. What is the pH value of HCl? 0 or 1. What is the pH value of vinegar? 3. What is the pH value of human saliva? 6 to 8. What is the pH value of pure water? 7. What is the pH value of ammonia water? 11. Which part of the plant transports water and mineral? Xylem. Which part of the plant transports food? Phylum. What introduced the technology of artificial photosynthesis to produce hydrogen fuel? C.N.R. Rao. Who discovered chemical pathway for photosynthesis? Melvin Calvin. What is ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. What is ADP? Adenosine diphosphate. What is NAD? Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. What is NADP? Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. How much portion of food will the leeches can suck? 5 times more than their body weight. Which animal of saliva used to prepare for paramacrotal drugs that can treat hypertension? Leech saliva. Decrease in number of erythrocytes in a disease, anemia. Increase in the number of leukocytes is a disease, leukocytosis. Decrease in number of leukocytes is a disease, leukopenia. Decrease in the number of thrombocytes is disease, thrombocytopenia. Who is the father of modern psychology? William Harvey. How many heart chamber of fish have? 2. How many heart chamber of amphibians have? 3. How many chamber heart does reptiles have? 3 completed, 1 incomplete. How many heart mammals and reptile crocodiles aves have? 4. What type of heartbeat is found in mollusca and vertebrates? Mycogenic heartbeat. What type of heartbeat is found in annelids, arthropods? Neurogenic heartbeat. Antigen unit found in any type of blood? O type. Which type neurons found in cerebral cortex in brain? Multipolar neurons. Which neuron found in retina of eye? Bipolar neurons. Which neurons found in early embryos? Unipolar neurons. Which instrument records the electrical impulses of brain? Electroencephalogram, EEG. Who act as the relay station of brain? Thalamus. What act as temperature control of brain? Hypothalamus. Which part of the brain is involved in the sleep-awake cycle? Pons and medulla. Which harmony is called as a time messenger? Melatonin. What affects a natural sleep cycle? Decrease of melatonin production. How much iodine is needed to secrete thyroxine? 120 μg. Who discovered the molecular structure of thyroxine hormone? Charles Harrington and George Barger. Which hormone is known as life-saving hormone? Cortisol. Which part of the body secretes cortisol hormone? Adrenal cortex. Which contain immune substance and provides immunity to the newborn? Cholesterol. When is menstrual hygiene day observed? May 28. Nappies were subsidized by the menstrual hygiene scheme, which was introduced in which year? 2011. Which is used a graphical representation to calculate the probability of all possible genotypes of offspring in genetic trees? Punnett square. Who was awarded the Nobel Prize for his discovery of the role of chromosomes in heredity? T.H. Morgan. Which rule stands that in DNA the portion of adenine is always equal to that of thymine and the proportion of guanine always equal to that of cytosine? Erwin Chargaff rule. Who called as the father of Indian Green Revolution? Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Who create public awareness about the benefits of organic farming? Dr. G. Nammalwar. What are the gamma rays used in gamma garden or atomic garden? cobalt 60 or cesium 137? Which enzyme is used to cleave DNA? Restriction enzyme. Who developed the first cloned female sheep named Dolly? Dr. Lon Wilmut. In which year the Protection of Children from Sexual Offence (POCSO) Act was introduced? 2012. When WHO, World Health Organization, suggested the use of the term drug? 1984. When was the Anti-Tobacco Act passed? May 1st, 2004. When it is observed on Tobacco Day? May 31st, 2004. How many diabetic patients are found in India? 1 is every 8 individuals in India. Which foods are helps to reduce blood sugar levels? Flax seeds, guavas, tomatoes and spinach. What is the desirable level of cholesterol in the blood of Indians? 200 mg/dl. World Cancer Day is observed on February 4. National Cancer Awareness Day is observed on November 7. What is malignant hemorrhages? Mass of proliferating cells which grows very rapidly, invading and damaging the surrounding normal tissues. When it's observed as the World AIDS Day? 1st December. What is the meaning of the word chipko? Embarrass. In which year was Chipko movement started? 1973. In which year tiger conservation program was started? 1973. In which year elephant conservation program was started? 1992. When was the crocodile conservation program started? 1976. When was the sea turtles conservation program started? 1999. When was the Indian Rhinoceros Protection Act initiated? 2020. Which chemical compounds have changes the white marble of the Taj Mahal in Agra? Sulfur and nitrogen oxide. Which is the 4th largest dam in the world? Kallanai Dam. How many areas in India have been identified for shale gas extraction? 6 areas. Which e-waste affects the central nervous system in humans and brain development in children? Lead PB. Which e-waste affect the development and function of the reproductive system? PVC plastics. Which e-waste affects kidney and liver function? Cadmium. Which e-waste causes shortness of breath, asthma? Chromium. இதோட 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சயின்ஸ் பாக்ஸ் கொஷின் முடியுது. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வீடியோவில் நம்ம சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். எல்லோரும் கண்டினியூவாக வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்கள், யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. பாய்.